So,
kids, we got our Happy Meal!
Yay, Happy Meal!
Happy Meal!
Woo, yum, delicious!
I got chicken nuggets.
Yeah, I got a hamburger. I pretty much am done, though.
Again? You always get a hamburger.
You always get chicken nuggets.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, so... What did you get for your toy?
Well, I don't know. I thought I'd wait for the kids, and I'm gonna go and get it.
I hope it's a good one! I hope it's a good one!
What's...
Oh, it's Snow White! That's awesome!
Do you wanna...
I could trade.
Do you wanna trade?
Yeah, I'll take Snow White.
Yeah, well... Yeah, trade with me.
Okay,
here.
I'll take Snow White.
Okay, and then where's mine?
Okay, and then what I have is... Ta-da! Oh, I have Ariel.
Well, I don't want
Do you want Ariel?
No, I don't want Ariel. Who wants Ariel?
I want Ariel. Ariel's awesome.
Well, then give me your other toy. There's more than one toy in the Happy Meal, isn't it?
Oh, wait, do you have another toy?
No.
Yeah, check yours.
But, wait.
Is that Cinderella? I want that Cinderella. Can I have the Cinderella? Wow.
Yeah, I guess
these
so,
toys, these Happy Meal toys are
my
amazing.
toy?
Wow, I don't know. I didn't even know Happy Meals came with more than one toy.
fun.
Oh, I have Tiana. It must be princess time. Do you want Tiana?
No, I don't want Tiana.
Oh.
Wait, but hold on. What?
Oh my goodness, it's Rapunzel! Oh my gosh. Yes. Can I have Rapunzel? Okay.
This doesn't make sense. This
is wonderful.
Where's my
Let me
toy?
see.
I asked for a boy's toy.
Oh. I don't have any more toys. Wow. You should be really happy, Noah. You got 3 toys and I only got 2.
Yeah, but they're all princesses and I all gave them to you.
Well, you can have them back. They're still your toys.
Yeah, but I don't want those. They're princesses. I want a prince.
But it's such a great
Or I
Happy
want
Meal.
like a Iron Man or a Spider Man or something like cool as that.
But these are cool. Look how great they are. They're wonderful. I love them. They're wonderful. This is like if you had a Happy Meal and then you put a Happy Meal in the Happy Meal and then you put a Happy Meal inside that Happy Meal and then that Happy Meal ate another Happy Meal and then all the Happy Meals threw up princesses. That's what it's like.
I can tell you this is not a Happy Meal. This is
Oh.
a sad meal. Yep.
Unless
Sad meal.
if I turn my head upside down, then it's happy again.
Olivia,
But
I'll leave you alone. Bye, kids.
Aw, kids. That's sad. Poor Noah didn't get his Happy Meal toy. Yeah. It's a bummer when they don't give you the boy toy when you ask for the boy toy, huh? Yeah. I know. Maybe next time we can ask for extra boy toys since I got extra girl toys. Yay! Noah, I have an idea!
Hi there. If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!